What is an application to revoke in Oklahoma? I'm attorney James Wirth, and we're about to talk about motions to revoke. All right, so first I said application to revoke, then I said motion to revoke. Why am I changing it up? Well, that's because it gets changed up out there. Some counties call them application to revoke. Other prosecutors like to file them as motions to revoke. Either way, they're the same thing though. That's where we're dealing with somebody who's on probation. They got a suspended sentence, meaning they were found guilty, but they weren't thrown in jail. Instead, the judge said, pursuant to a plea agreement or pursuant to the judge's ruling, that they got to serve their time outside on probation, where there's various things they have to complete and they have to stay out of trouble. So if they didn't complete what they're supposed to complete, or they got new cases filed, that's when the prosecutor pops up, files an application to revoke, saying that we want to revoke that suspended part and put you in jail. Okay? And unlike the original offense that has to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt, the burden on the prosecutor is less on a motion to revoke. It's only to prove that the rules and conditions of probation were violated or there's a new offense by preponderance of the evidence, meaning more likely than not. Then at that point, once they meet their burden on that, if they can meet their burden on that, it goes to the judge, and the judge can revoke in full or can revoke in any portion. So if you're on a 10-year suspended sentence and you serve 9 of it out on probation doing everything that you were supposed to, but in that 10th year you get into more trouble, they don't just get to sentence you for that final year. You don't get all the credit for the time you served on probation. The judge can give you that full 10 years again in custody, but the judge doesn't have to. The judge could say that we want to do 2 in or in the rest on probation or whatever. The judge has discretion on that. So obviously it's very serious if you're facing a motion to revoke. That means the state's trying to throw you in jail. So you're going to want competent representation for that. If you're under those circumstances, you're going to want to consult with an attorney. If you want to consult with somebody at my office, the Wirth Law Office, go to makelawEasy.com.